Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning unit from Weiss-Johnson. Designed to deliver more comfort for your energy dollar, the XC13 operates efficiently even on the hottest summer days. At the heart of the system is a scroll compressor, which assures smooth and reliable operation. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Lennox XC13 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. With an efficiency rating of up to 15.5 SEER, you can save hundreds of dollars a year compared to a standard air conditioner. SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the air conditioner will be and less power it will consume. A precision-balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide quieter operation and longer product life. The Lennox XC13 has a 5-year limited warranty on covered components, 10-year limited warranty on the compressor. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.